Welcome back, guys. We're going to check out Aquarius today, and we're going to check out the new DLC, which is called Laboratory. We're going to see what it's all about. We can splice some little fish together. So let's go buy the laboratory to start with. We're going to unlock it here. It costs $7.50. Let's spend that money. Welcome, welcome. You've arrived at the epicenter of aquatic innovation. You've entered a realm where science meets madness. My top secret fish mutation laboratory. I'm Professor Guppy, and here we'll blend genes with daring ideas to create wonders beyond your wildest dreams. Prepare to dive into this experience that will redefine everything you thought you knew about fish. Who knows, you might just create a brand new species that transforms the underwater world. Come join us as we push the very boundaries of science. I finally convinced the management to give me a room just for my research. It's a bit of a mess in here, but we'll manage. The aquarium's already set up, now we just need to finish the water installation and we'll be ready to begin our first experiment. Oh, I'm so excited. You'll find all the necessary information and instructions on the computer. Alright, let's get to work. So, this must be our place. It is absolutely filthy. We've got to use the pipe parts to build the underwater system. I suppose we kind of need to clean up first. Where's the bin? Is it over here? Oh, nope, that didn't work. I'm assuming that was the bin. Is it not the bin? Oh, yeah, it is the bin. We're going to do a little bit of tidying up. Can't really work in this conditions. But hey-ho. Can we get through here? Nope, that is the way out. So, nope, we cannot get through there. We can just look at what other people are doing through the door. So, this must be the aquariums. Use the pipe parts. Where are the pipe parts? Am I meant to be finding them? Am I meant to be buying them? Find the right pipe. Oh, they're here. Oh, we cannot actually do it before we move stuff out the way. Thought that was going to be a problem. Come on. Get out the way, rubbish. I'm surprised he didn't tidy up before he even bothered to, you know, put an installation in here. Can we not get past that one? Can we not pick up all of them? Is that not the real bin? Because it's not actually, like, being full, so... Maybe it doesn't go in there? Well, it does now. Right, let's get this pipe. Click on that. Click here. Oh, we have to do it again. A lot of looking back and forth as we put together our pipe system. That'll be an elbow. There we go. Do we need another elbow? Here. Oh. Can't reach from here. Why can't we get rid of this? This one? There you go. Like that. Back to the pipes. Here I'm getting whiplash. And here's our very last bit going in, number 17. There we go. So we have all the pipe system done. So next we need to put some soil in both aquariums. So we're going to go in our tab menu. We're going to buy our soil. Here we go. There's loads to choose from. It's basically just a case of decorating our little aquarium how we would like it. So for the first one, I think we're going to stick with some little normal plain sand. We're going to buy one of them. I don't think there'll be a shovel here, so we probably need to go get a scoop. Buy one of them as well. Let's pop the soil and the scoop. And let's get going. We're going to apply the soil into it. You scoop it in, shove it in, and basically rinse and repeat until they're all done. Scoop the soil into this one. Two very different little aquariums. So we're going to shove the stuff away and use a hand on the wall system to let the water in. So we'll do that. We bought a shelf over here to put our stuff on. I'm going to plop the soil up there out of the way so everything's neat and tidy. Where is this thing in the wall? The handle on the wall. Where is that? Is it this one? There we go. The one that's glowing. Click that and they'll be filling full of water. Oh, was that not it? I don't think that was it. Apparently it's opening time. Oh, there we go. One's water and two full of water. very different looking places, really. One will be deeper and one will be like more beachy, I would say. Okay, create a new species of fish. The instructions are on the computer. Let's do that. Instructions. Step 1. To start research, you must have the acquired fish in the aquariums and they must be happy. Then begin research and wait for the required time. The other locations in the meantime. Once the time is up, you're able to collect the sample. Add the reagent to the stained sample. The color of the reagent must match the scheme above to proceed to the next step. So yellow and orange, red and black, blue and pink, green and blue. Place the sample in the centrifuge to spin it and prepare for the next step. Then when it's in the centrifuge sequencing machine, we connect the pairs to make new DNA. The pairs can be in any order, but must follow the pattern ATDACGGC. I think it means yellow, red. Basically, make sure they're all swaps around. This is how you create new fish. So let's get some fish first of all. So pose to begin with will be right over this end, and it'll be a goldfish and a Bermuda blue angelfish. So let's get 2 of them into the tab. Let's see what we need for one of them. He is a pH of 7.6 and 8.9 temperature. He is an algae eater and he's a saltwater. So one of our tanks are going to be saltwater and one of them is going to be fresh water. So maybe we should do that first. So we'll go into this and get the salt to make one salty. Which one is going to be salty, I wonder? We'll make this one salty. The black one could be salty. There we go. It's now a saltwater aquarium. We can inspect it with Q. Saltwater, pH 7. I think that should be fine. This one is freshwater, pH 7. So we'll go back into our fish and see what he needed. So we need to put the pH up to make him happy. We're going to get some more pH up. pH booster. I'm going to buy some of that. We're also going to see what he needs. He likes to have some plants, lots of decorations and lots of plants. So we're going to have to buy some of them. We're going to the deep salt water one. We're going to plop loads of grasses along the bottom. We're going to big ones, make it look better. Maybe some tall ones of these. And just shove them in everywhere. So we're going to put in the pH up first. 1. We're going to have to make sure we check it in between. That's 7. That's fine. I'm going to plop in these grass. There we go. Stick this one in here. A little grassy patch. We're going to have to get some lights for this tank. It's very dark, even though it's in here. That's obviously not enough grass. It's going to make him sad. But, yeah. Right, we're going to get some saltwater decorations. What should we get? So that'll be like corals and stuff. So we'll get some of that. Get some big rocks. Get one of them. Treat saltwater. One of them. Get some of this. Get in the big size. The money is not really an issue. I have been playing this game for a little while. We have a lot of the stuff unlocked anyway. I've always really liked this game. We played it for ages on stream before. So I was jumping at the chance when we got offered to play this. Gonna get some corals. For 2, we're gonna stick the little starfish in here, like he's a little bit afraid. Gonna stick this here. 4, make a little coral center. Oh, they plopped each other out the way. And we'll stick you there. Not exactly the most exciting of things, but it should potentially work. There's enough decorations. So I want to wait and put some little filters and things in the water to make it nice and safe for a fish. So let's actually make sure we can plop him in. We need 2 Bermudas and we're going to make sure they're the big kind. We're also going to grab ourselves some of our goldfish so we can stick them on the other side. We do obviously need to make sure we put the right stuff in for them, but we'll just grab hold of them now. We're going to stick him in and then see if he's happy or not, and then we can work towards making them happy. Are you happy, little fish? Nope. He needs more plants. He needs more decorations. He's happy with the fish. The pH is a bit low for him. So let's bump up the pH just a tiny bit. Where's the pH? What is that? pH. Minus, wrong one. pH up. There we go. Put the pH up. What about now? He's still sad. How high did they want this pH? I thought it was... He's happy yet? All of a sudden. pH still going up. I think this one is very much little by little putting the pH up. Otherwise, you can completely knacker it and spend ages having to fix it. So they want more plants. So we'll do that. We're going to go back into our salt water. We're going to pick more seaweed. Seaweed's a good one to just shove along the bottom. And then we'll plop some more decorations in as well. So now our goldfish are in and they're happy swimming around with their guys. We're going to research and see what happens. We have to wait the 6 minutes. Or is that 6 days? 6 hours? I have no idea. But we have to wait time for this research to be done. It's now complete. So let's hit that button and collect some samples. Ooh. Add the appropriate reagent to obtain samples. Where is my sample? Oh, does it sit here? Grab sample. So it's blue, and I believe that means we need to add the pink, which is this one. Hands free to do that. So what do I do? Should I have just left it here? There we go. Made it pink. Place the prepared test tube in the centrifuge, which is which machine? This one? No, that's a printer. Which is the centrifuge? Is it this one? Centrifuge, which is this over here. Is there anything glowing? Right, let's stick it in this centrifuge here. And then it's doing its thing, I think. There we go, pick it up. Use the DNA sequencer to discover a new species of fish. So, is this thing now? There we go. Connect 2 strands of DNA. Okay, so ATTA. Okay, so it's like a spin thing. Okay, so if we get an A and a... Oh, was it backwards? A... Oh, this is going to be more complicated than I thought. That's it in the right order, I think. Let's combine the DNA. There we go. Successfully create some new DNA, and we have got the Golmuder. Those. There we go. New species of fish. So what do we do with this new fish? What is his thing? Where does he live? Oh, the guy's gone away. Bye. And I suppose now we've got to find all the other fish species. I guess they don't need us anymore now we've made these weird abominations. I'm not sure how we are meant to use them. They're making little babies in here, so they're quite happy, obviously. Is it in here to buy? Where I want to see our little thing in the wild, see what it looks like. I don't know what it's under. Oh, he's... Oh. Who are you? Oh, I knew someone would come. You don't look like screwy. Good, that means you're exactly the kind of person I need. Who I am, you ask? Ha! They call me Dr. Vortex, the genius behind the most groundbreaking aquatic experiments of our time. Until these fools, those narrow-minded cowards, kicked me out. Too dangerous, they said. Too unpredictable. Science is meant to break boundaries. And guess what? They never revoked my access card. Now, my dear accomplice, I need your hands and your mind together. We should create fish the world has never seen. Fish that has 2 heads. Fish with many eyes. Fish that, who knows, might even walk on land. The lab is ours, at least until morning. I've unlocked a secret tab on the computer just for you, my old forbidden experiments. Listen closely, we can only conduct them at night. That's when the real magic happens. Oh, and behold my masterpiece, a special reagent of my own invention, crafted for these very experiments. A single drop can rewrite the rules of nature. Now enough talking, the night is short and we have the history to create. Let's get to work. Our own special tab. Okay. Secret research. Okay. So if we put a stickleback and a mutton snapper together, we can get a weird little fish. Should we do that then? Don't know what they need. I feel like we constantly have to reorganize our fish though. So a stickleback is... Still wish there was like a little search tab for this. I know it's a little... Is it one of these tiny ones? A stickleback. Okay, you're carnivorous. So we'll get big ones of you. Can we just stick you in? Will you be happy? We're going to maybe sell the goldfish off. You're unhappy because there's not enough of you, there's not enough decorations, and there's not enough plants. So we can fix that. That's our sticklebacks taken care of. So now we'll move on to our next little fishes. Gonna get some of these guys, the mutton snappers in. So let's buy 2, they like decorations and stuff. So we can always shove them in and see what they think. You go in, you go in. Are you happy? Oh, you are. Right at the bat, you're happy. Okay, so we can maybe start researching on them since they're happy. So secret research. Gotta wait the 6 minutes or 6 hours. So we're gonna wait till the next day. So we're gonna, well, actually no, we'll just wait now because the time will go past quickly. So whilst we're waiting, I'm gonna have a look, and there's a general research tab, which means that you can get unlocks, which actually help throughout the whole game. So there is like the fish research limit. There's a universal filter, which will adjust to the power on the size of the aquarium, which actually would be really handy. An underwater automatic feeder. There are some fossils, a water fountain, an auto pH regulator. Honestly, this sounds like a dream. There is some new spotlights. There is some stuff for our actual shop as well, so we can increase some speed, the cashier speed, and the restocker speed. Honestly, I think it's really cool. I think we should go with an auto pH regulator though. That takes 6 hours to research as well, which is always a good thing. But yeah, we basically just have to wait till everything runs its course. The research for the stickleback mutton snapper is now complete. So let's click that button, collect sample, which is here. It is black. We need to grab this from the guy, stick it in the pot. Gonna put these food away. They had to feed the fish when we're waiting. Now we need to pick that up and stick this in the centrifuge, which is in the back of the room. And it does its thing. I'm gonna take that out. And then we need to put in the sequencer. So in this one, we're gonna combine the DNA. And we got the twin back, which looks like an abomination of nature, let's be honest. There we go. I bet this guy is going to be happy with us. Do we need to talk to him again? No. You're just a mad scientist. Okay. So, where do they live? Are they in these bits? So I want to work out where they actually buy these little abominations. Where do they go? There they go. We have a Bermuda and the twin back down the bottom. They seem to be freshwater. So let's actually stick one in the water. What is he? Is a predator. Okay, of course he is. We're going to get a massive one of him. He's going to hopefully eat the sticklebacks, which is terrible, but hey ho. pH, that's fine. 17 to 23. He is 17, 20. Okay, so they should both be able to live in the same. Just for this now. We're gonna get 2 of these little guys. Just have a look at them. This is not obviously where they should be. It's a terrible life choice. But there we go. We're gonna go swim inside and have a look what it looks like in person. So there is our Bermuda doing his little thing. He's actually quite cute. I don't mind him. And our 2-headed thing, is that you over here? That's him over here. There you go, guys. This is the kind of weird and wonderful stuff you can get up to in the new laboratory DLC for Aquarius. There you go. If you want to see more, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We can definitely play more of this game. I really enjoy it. And until next time, have a great day. Bye!